So in this video we will see the closed loop operation of the SRM drive. So again, coming to the controller, by pressing this K3 button, this mode will change from open loop to closed loop. So this NR is your reference speed. What is the whatever you can set, what you want to set is you can set by this varying this port, and this actual speed, and the K5 button remains the same for the on off. Okay, so now I will set it to the first I will set it to the lower RPM. Let's set it for 720 RPM. Okay, and I will turn on the so it is lightly loaded right now. So let us check the speed. So it is already reached the 720 set speed. Okay, so now I will increase the load. So it is remaining the same 720. You can see the current it is 1.38 ampere. So now I will remove the loading, and you can see the current is reduced, and we will measure the speed again. Then it should be around 720. Okay, so now we will see again the performance by varying the speed. So now I will set my speed to say 1500 or 1600 RPM. Let's set to this 1600 RPM. Okay, so you can also see in the LCD that this is the reference speed and this is the actual speed. So the both are same. So this is, it means it is reached the its rated speed. So now you can see the current is 0.74 ampere, and we will measure the speed first. It is 1600. Now I will increase the loading. So the current is increased from 0.74 to 1.64, and speed is same 1600 RPM. So now we will again increase the speed to 1800. So it is at 1870 RPM, and we'll set it to its rated speed of 2000. So the reference speed and actual speed are same. First we will also verify with the tachometer. Is exactly the 2000 RPM. So this is the operation of the SRM drive with open loop and closed loop operation. Thank you.